1, 2, 3, 4.
We have a big problem this morning. Huge. Our opt-in. I'm doing very badly here. It's getting on me. Shit. I mean,
It's not campy.
of the great traumas that people have survived, I wouldn't call this among them, but I would call it maybe just barely below it. The King County Fair is the largest fair west of the Mississippi, and no, it's not the largest. Is it like a small fact? Is it an insignificant fact?
Border Collie, and you know, it's had a similar connection that I had with Moxie. You know, this dog. We're at Mildred Canopy Park. No problem.
Start again.
Okay.
If you had any idea how many outtakes we had.
We have a whole bloopers reel. Oh.